had to come out here to look at this grass. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but right over here, right here is like, Bermuda. Very nice. Doesn't look compacted really, and none of that. But you come right over here and look. I mean, they look like little bunched up Bermudas, and I've never seen that before. But it's just weird. It's all right here too. It's like real compact, like Bermuda, just tight. Here, there is Bermuda coming back. Look at this. All this before, all right here, was all dead, just like you see all around here. And now it's filling in. Big brown spot. And I know it looks brown from up here, but if you come down here, you can start seeing them greens coming in. And that's okay. This makes me happy right here that this is a weed that is growing in this stuff, because I thought that this spot, there was something wrong with it underneath the ground. And there may still be, but I'm gonna let it green up. I'm gonna give it until next month. I'm gonna see what it looks like next month. So let's do a little shot of that. Hopefully I got that. And then we'll kind of see how big it is and go from there. I just had to give a little quick update on that Bermuda grass. That's so weird. That's so weird, guys. I've never seen it do that. My front yard, I don't think ever did that. Even at its worst, coming out of its worst to be what it is now, it's never really done that. But I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Let me know what you think is going on, or if that's normal for Bermuda. I know you guys can see that. I know you guys can see the difference in this Bermuda and that Bermuda. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe you guys can't. The old trees over here looking really good. Oh, that's really what I wanted to get you out here for. But now I want to show you guys the sunflower seeds update. Sunflowers. So here and there, and here and there, and then there and there. There's that line. Oh yeah. Right there. There's one right there. Back line. Because look at all those right there in a line. But that's the only ones, guys. So going back to when I sodded, or when I sodded? When I put the sod down, what kind of sod it was. I know it was Bermuda, but I think it was a mixture, because I do see some hybrid in here, and I do see some common in here, which I don't know if sod places do that. Of course, the sod we got, seriously, we covered 3,000 square feet of lawn, and it was $800. It was the off season in November, December time frame. But I don't know. Like I said, I'm not complaining. I love that we have grass back here now, and it's a challenge, and I love that. After I put the image down, now I get it that the image and any kind of weed killer is probably gonna delay any kind of growth movement in any kind of grass, I guess you could say, especially like Bermuda or whatever, because you can try to kill Bermuda, but it's gonna come back. And that's what it looked like, I don't know, a month ago, month and a half ago when I did this. It looked really brown and it was dying, and I was scared. But I love that we have grass back here now, and it's a challenge, and I love that. Love that challenge. My next challenge is that this backyard is so bumpy and just horrible, because we decided to put sod in when it was wet and rainy and muddy, and our footprints it was just horrible. That's my next project, is to level this thing out back here, and not like the level you're thinking about. I just want to bring in some more topsoil, mix it up with maybe some compost, some some good, maybe some peat moss, and just throw back here in some of these spots that are low or missing places, and just get the Bermuda to go through it. And that'll probably happen here in the next month. So that'll be a good project. But I'll show you more of the projects, what I got going on here this season. All right, guys. Oh man, don't kill me, guys, but I haven't mowed in 5 days. It's been really crazy hectic, but this is the lawn after that mowing in about 5 days. Not too bad, but really, what I want to show you, my next project, and I've told you guys this before, so I'm going to take out this brick border because it's dumb, and this brick border because it's dumb, and ooh, need to plant those, and we're going to take out this border as well around that. And that is the plan about what I'm going to be doing this season. I'm really hoping this brick goes pretty soon because I cannot wait to have that natural edge up to the concrete so I can get a nice edge on it. And so yeah, guys, that's what's going on with the front yard. Not much in the front yard. Not much. I'm going to be taking some of these branches down, that's for sure. That is for sure. Because look, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but look at this. I'm going to cut basically right here because that leaves such a large shadow canopy over my Bermuda. And it's basically, if you just look right here. So basically it's just going to be this branch. I think I'm taking just that branch off. That's going to be the biggest branch. But we'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see. Here they come. Oh, Mama and Mason are back. Oh, she's driving the truck. Oh, do it. Strike one for Mr. Mason. Bases loaded. Oh, 3 balls, 2 strikes. Here we go. The game depends on Mason here. Will he hit it? Oh, good hit. Ooh, another foul ball.
Mama, where's my food? I want my carrots and milk. Mama, Mama.